The Maverick is reflecting this evening on my days as a youngster, dreaming of performing in the professional sporting arenas of the world, before facing up to the harsh reality. Say me never good enough. To hear and know as a pundit, analyst and commentator of sports, one of my biggest pet peeves is to see people wasting and disrespecting their talent and the opportunities and privileges that talent affords them. This thing with NBA star Kyrie Irving and his inexplicable walkout on his team. Kyrie went totally missing in action for 7 games, not taking any phone calls, nowhere to be found. This is a man who is being paid millions of dollars to play basketball. Now, whatever his issues, whether he never liked his new coach or he had a problem with the arrival of James Harden, it don't matter. It was childish, unprofessional to walk away from his contractual obligations, his teammates, and the fans of his team. And this is the same Kyrie Irving who ran out of Cleveland, ran out of Boston, and now ran out of Brooklyn. Again, after skipping the bubble tournament last year. You see, people like Kyrie Irving, them should just wake up out of them sleep one morning and find themselves can't shoot a shot. Yes. Can't make a crossover. Yeah, man. Can't make a free throw. Can't dribble. Yeah, man. The talent, them just crumple. The talent leave them because them ungrateful and them don't.